All right, so we have two triangle theorems that we will add to our toolbox of theorems and properties and everything that we've been using, postulates and such. The first one is the Isosceles triangle theorem. Now this one tells me if two legs of the triangle are congruent, then the two opposite angles are congruent. We also will call these base angles, aka base angles, because they're touching the base side. So what this is telling me, we have this side and this side. We refer to these as legs. And then the bottom side is called the base. And if my two legs are congruent, then the two angles across from said legs or attached to the base are now congruent. The converse of this goes the other direction. So think of converse statements. We switch the order of our hypothesis and our conclusion. So the converse tells us if the two base angles are congruent, then the two legs are congruent. So provided for me is that these two angles down here are congruent already. That's given to us. And because they are congruent, I can then add the fact that the legs are congruent.